Hello everyone. So in today's video we will be completing test your knowledge under neural networks. So here click on open quiz and after that it will send us here. Now here you can see the correct answer for the first question, correct answer for the second question, for the third question, for the fourth question and the fifth question. Now click on submit answer. Guys, I don't say this at the starting of this video because it will waste some kind of your time guys. If you like my content, please do like and subscribe to my channel guys, it will help me a lot. And if you want any kind of video, you can comment for the topic which you want guys. I will be providing as soon as possible guys. Thank you for watching guys, we'll meet in the next video. Before that guys, if you want you can read all these things guys, it will help you a lot. And if you are doing only for the internship certificate, you can come here to your test your knowledge and you can complete all the quizzes guys. Thank you for watching guys.